and welcome to my channel. I'm Mandy Grace, author of 10 young adult novels so far. Welcome to an unboxing video. I say with confusion and hesitancy. I don't know what's happening, you guys. I do know what's happening. My roommate gave me a Christmas present, but she said that I might want to unbox it on camera, so I'm unboxing it on camera. I know what it is because she gave me an IOU picture of it when we did Christmas, because it hadn't come yet, and then it came today. Anyway, all of this is to say I'm not going to be surprised, but also she said to unbox it, so I'm unboxing it. So I don't know. We're getting into it. Oh my goodness. Ah! It has the quote. It has the, it's a... And so I enter into evidence my tarnished yet well-loved typewriter. May you find the tick, tick, tick as cathartic as I once did. Sincerely, the chairman of the Tortured Poets Department. Sent by Lady Fern Woodworks. Okay, it is cute. I am glad I'm unboxing this. This is fun. It's a typewriter, you guys. It's a Taylor Swift themed typewriter. But I have to, what is this paper? And why is it the way that it is? The texture is fun. Weird, but fun. I can't get in. I'm never gonna find the typewriter. Oh wait, I see it. Oh, it's so cute and tiny. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I think it's like entirely wood. It's a wooden typewriter. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this little thing. This is adorable. Oh my gosh. I can't even... Why is it so cute? Hold on. It smells funny too. Is that the... That doesn't smell like wood. Is it like the paint? Oh gosh. Okay, what is this? Please find your requested documents inside. The intern. From the desk of the chairman. And it's got the TTPD symbol. Oh my gosh. This is too much, you guys. This is too much. I feel like I'm opening something very important right now. But very tiny. Important and tiny. Alright, what do we got? I love you. It's ruining my life. Old habits die screaming. Who uses typewriters anyway? I cry a lot, but I'm so productive. It's an art. The Tortured Poets Department. This is amazing. You wouldn't last an hour in the asylum that they raised me. Damn straight. Who's afraid of little old me? We hereby conduct this post-mortem. All's fair in love and poetry. Lights, camera, smile. I can't say that on camera. That's... I sing it very loudly. In fact, in the car when it comes on in the radio, it's the censored version on the radio. And I sing the correct lyrics, even though the radio version is not saying them. And I sing them loud and proud. But I'm not about to say it on camera. I love you, it's ruining my life. Oh, we're back at the beginning. That's my favorite song, in fact. And even though I censor myself, I'm going to put it on my typewriter. I can't. That song is amazing. Let's see. Stick you in here. Oh, she's so cute. I don't know if I should turn and show you since I was censoring. Hold on, let me put a different one in and show you what it looks like. I'm so funny. Okay. Boom. I love you. It's ruining my life. How cute is that? That's just amazing. Wow. Okay, now I'm gonna put the one I actually want in there. Don't worry, guys. I suppose I could have blurred it out. It's fine. We're not... Anyway, this is ridiculously cute, and I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but it needs to be somewhere prominent. This is too good. Hold on, I need to put my important documents away. so I don't lose them for when I change the lyric out for something else. This is so cute. I can't even with this. Where am I gonna put this? And now I need to listen to, hold on. I just need to listen to I Can Do It With a Broken Heart one time, and then we'll be fine. Except as soon as I start that, I'm going to want to listen to the entire Tortured Poets Department. And I don't have 2 hours of my life right now. I have 10 minutes before I get on an educational prickle. Oh, I'm wearing the right sweatshirt for this video, you guys. Which it just dawned on me. Hold on. Taylor Swift. Where are you at? Oh, yeah. Oh, where am I going to put this? Yeah.